Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to generate Sunburst chart in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. Now in the first column, we are having specialization which students have opted for. In the second column, their respective graduation. And in third column, we are having the frequency of the students. So the number of students who have done graduation in BBA and have opted the specialization in finance are total 25. We want to represent this thing in Sunburst chart. So how we can do it? Select it, insert, recommended charges, all charts, click on the Sunburst chart, click OK. So you can see that in marketing, BBA, BCom, BE, in finance, BA, BBA, BCom, similarly in operations. Now you can add any chart element to here. So chart title, about the chart, centered overlay, data labels, non-center, legends, right, top, left, quick layout. You'll get the numbers. The chart styles, before that, let's see the chart colors. Okay. And chart styles are given here. So this is quite good. Now select the chart area, double click on it. You can select fill from here, that is solid fill. Let's take a lighter color. Gradient fill, picture or texture, parent fill, automatic. Borders, you can select solid line, gradient line, automatic. We can activate shadow. The shadow has appeared. The size of the shadow. Blur, angle, distance. You can also activate glow. Normally, we don't use shadow and glow together. So we are having the option of color, size, and transparency. Soft edges. (3D) format. Not available. Click here. Size. The height of the chart can be increased. Width can be increased. Properties, keep as it is. Text options. Text line. So solid line. Gradient fill. Picture or texture. Pattern fill. In text options, we have additional options of reflection. So you can select which reflection you want. (3D) format and 3D rotation will be inactive. Okay. Now double click on this plot area. Here also you can select it. So let's take one more color. All other options are same as your chart area. Borders, same. And effects also we can change from here. Now double click on this series option. So we'll start with fill. We can change the color, border, shadow, glow, soft edges. All these are same as chart and plot. So this was all about how to generate Sunburst chart in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also join me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.